Hello friends, let's make some vegetable soup today. I bought this vegetable soup mix from Kroger, which is very handy. If I try to use some vegetables separately or fresh vegetable, I tend to put more of my favorite vegetables in there. That kind of doesn't balance the taste. So I tried this once and it's really good. For one bag of, it's about 12 ounce bag. For one bag of vegetable mix, I take 4 cups of water. I need cornstarch for this. I use only 1 teaspoon. You can use tablespoon. Tablespoon makes it thicker, but I'm watching my carbs, so I use only 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon is about 9 grams of carbs. So I also have the French fried onions, but I'll tell you what to do with those later. So I take 4 cups of water in the bowl and put it for boil on a high flame. And I pour these vegetables in there, and also in a small bowl I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, which I took it to add the cornstarch mix. Cornstarch in there, mix the cornstarch in there. I added 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in there and mixed it well. So yeah, see, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. If you take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, the taste better and thicker, but as I told you, I cannot do it. Anyway, mix it well and keep it, and cut the vegetable bag and add all of these to the boiling water. And this vegetable mix has, if you want to do it, if you have control over, how much you are using, is the vegetable we have in here are carrots, potatoes, sweet corn, sweet corn, green beans, green peas, baby lima beans, okra, celery, and onions. All good vegetables, but this has only 2 grams of protein. So if you want, you can add some chunks of chicken in there, and drop an egg, beat 1 egg and drop it in there, like an egg drop soup. So let it boil I added the cornstarch mix, and I sprinkle little salt and pepper. I don't like too much, because that can be added on the table, but you can add up to, if you all have the same taste in the family, you can put half a teaspoon of each or quarter teaspoon of each, however you like. But I just sprinkle a little bit, and then we can add at the table, because not everybody likes the same spice. So let it boil for half an hour. I boil it longer because I feel the vegetables taste good. I don't know, it's up to each other, but everyone's choice. But vegetables cook pretty quick, so when they are cooked, you can take it out, but I like to boil it longer, period. So anyway, that's it. It's done. Take it out in a bowl. And I use the French fried onions. I showed you French fried onions before. I used to make a bread toast, and eat with my soup. But one day I ran out of the bread toast, and I tried French fried onions on the top of it. I was checking in my pantry what I can eat, any chips or anything. I don't bring any of those because of my carb watch. So, but anyway, these French fried onions have only 2 grams of carbs, for 2 tablespoons. So I tried it, and it kind of worked really good, and it's tastier than having a toast. So ever since I use those for my side item, put them on when you're eating, otherwise they become soggy. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like my videos, and I'll be posting more easy recipes. All my recipes are easy. I don't make very complicated items, for working women or men, anybody, it is really helpful. Thank you.